Hello, in this video I want to show you how to begin gem crafting in Diablo 4. And to do this, first let's open our map here in main city of the first zone in Kioveshad. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but okay. Here you should see gem crafting priority quest, and if not, you might need to wait for level 15. So right click on it to mark it and simply go to this building, enter and click on a jeweler right here. Tell me about gem crafting, choose this conversation. Now we can read through, I'm gonna skip it and then click on him again, and now we can begin gem crafting. So craft gems, reveal any of the gem you want to make, and then simply press craft, and here it is. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.